Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Learn Snowflake with Ravi Dacharla. So today we are discussing about the Snowflake architecture. Snowflake architecture contains three layers. So the first layer is storage layer. So storage layer is responsible for store all the table data and query results. Whether it was a structured, semi-structured or unstructured, it is stored the data in compressed and columnar format. Snowflake automatically handles clustering, compression, file size, and structure of the data. So here data is immutable. It means once the data is stored in the Snowflake, it will not change. New versions are created and updated. And the second layer is compute layer. It's also called virtual warehouse layer. So actual queries are executed here. It's treated as a module of the system. So what is the virtual warehouse? Virtual warehouse is a cluster of compute resources like CPU and memory, and you can scale up or scale out these virtual warehouses as per the business requirement. So multiple teams can run queries at the same time without affecting each other. It means we have the option here scale up or scale out. So based on this we can concurrently run the queries at the same time without affecting the each other. And where don't want to run any queries, then we can pass our virtual warehouses. It's automatically minimize the cost. And the third layer is cloud service layer. So this cloud service layer treated as a brain of the Snowflake, because all authentications, access control and metadata management and query optimization and security, everything was taken by the cloud service layer. Okay, so these are the three major layers in the Snowflake. One is storage layer, and second one is compute layer, and third one is cloud service layer. Okay, so this is one of the most interview questions. Generally, you can face an interview this question. Please explain about the Snowflake architecture. Okay, thank you for watching this one, and please reach out to this number if you want to learn Snowflake with SQL, and please share to your friends. Thank you, friends. We will meet in next video.